Okay, step one, just a little slime removal. A little scale action too. Yeah, nice looking fish here. This is pretty, super pretty. Okay, if the doctors concur, the surgeon will make the first incision on the dorsal side. We're going to leave the collar intact. We're going down about that far. Basically, that blade is going to come down to that lateral line right there for this dorsal cut. And usually when you get to the belly cavity area right there, it ends at the anal vent. There's a little patch of meat right here that you can do in one fell swoop. All the way from tail up to that body cavity area. Okay. Now, it's going to be kind of step two, just to follow the rib cage down. Okay, now is a pretty convenient time just to come back and remove that flipper right there. Cut through a little bone tissue there. Yep, a little bit extra work, but the reason for leaving that collar is there's a tasty little morsel of meat right here. Super good texture. Nice fat content. Just a little mouthful, a little bite, a little extra work, but yeah, that's called a collar on fillet.
Beautiful. Same thing for the other side?
Yeah, the other side's a little trickier just because now the fish has had some material removed. So it's got a little bit of a bow to it, a little bit of a concave bow. It's a little trickier, but same principle. You just usually wind up with a more jagged cut because it's not nice and filled out like it was before. Yeah, and it definitely helps to have the back to you, the dorsal side. Yep. Cut through pin bones. You get most of the rib separated. There's a little bit of ribs that stay behind. That's okay. We can clean that up after we get the carcass separated here. Okay, and this is fish food, seagull food, should say. Okay, then it's a little finishing detail here. Sometimes on that backside fillet you wind up with some rib bones attached and just a little bit of a membrane here. Not a problem. Now is a pretty easy time to remove it. I mean, it could also be removed after cooking or freezing too. It doesn't really hurt anything, but it's kind of a cleanliness item. Throw a little bit out there. Rinse off a little tissue. If there's any fins that are attached here on this, now is a pretty good time to remove the fins too. Uh-huh.
Oh, we're making a video.
We're making a video. There we go. Beautiful color, beautiful meat. Red salmon. Matching pair. Nice.
Those beautiful flavors. That was really good.
Yeah, we better put over ahead. Nice.